In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your own channel in Midjourney. So, when you start off in Midjourney on your trial account, you're going to have access to these newcomer rooms here. Now, these newcomer rooms here are public, which means everything you post in here, everybody else can see. So if you're doing some things by yourself, or you want stuff to be private, then that's not going to be able to happen. People can steal your prompts in here and they can steal your images. It's not very good. So here's how you get your own private room, a no private channel. What you want to do is you're going to have to go into here and type /subscribe. Now, when you hit that, it's going to give you your own link here. You click on this, open it, and it's going to give you access to subscribe to their plan, which is $10 a month. And from there, you're going to be able to get your own Discord bot, which you can then create your own images in. And you'll have access to all the commands plus a ton more features. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.